My new car has autonomous features. It can drive itself as long as my hands are lightly on the wheel. Once fine-tuned, your organization could be that reliable vehicle to your future growth. I'm Pamela Stambaugh, president and founder of Accountability Pays. If you want to decrease operating costs and an increase in profitability, then our tools and processes are right for you. Your leadership inside your organization could really only require a light touch so that you can focus on big strategic goals. Imagine having an autonomous organization, meaning your people effectively handle their own challenges. When I asked one client how it felt to stop fighting fires, she said, "Freeing indeed." If I say, own the road to accelerate your business growth now, what do you hear? If you hear I'm offering you an opportunity to powerfully drive your business to the next level with a proven method to achieve autonomous processes, then you heard right. I'll share with you valuable CEO tools and practices to enable you to communicate, execute, and optimize your growth journey. If you want to see for yourself where you are on the road to success or where you're on a detour, click on the link below and take the 9-question self-assessment, which will give you a sense of direction to your optimal destination. Take advantage of my 30 years of experience advising organizations to own the road to their business success. Let's talk.